Yeah? Me done. You're not up in bed. No, me serious. You're not up the bed for true. Leave it alone. Tariq. Come here. Come here. Come. Come here, me a sweetie. Come. Come, me a sweet. Come, me a sweetie. Come. Me love this. Come. Me a sweetie. Come here, me a sweetie. Come face it. No, me a sweetie. Me a sweetie. Come face sweetie. Guys, they don't want to say me wicked on the stage. Me a sweetie. Me a sweetie can give. Come here. Your first punishment in a... Shay, come here. No. Come here.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Why are you scared of me? Come here. Come here. Come. Stand up. Stand up. Face the wall. Face the wall. Face the wall. Nobody move. Nobody get hurt. Nobody moving. Oh. I can't go eat my cup soup now. My machi. Hola, Deus me dá uma machi Watch out, I'm not much puzzle. Hold on. Hey, hello, continue. Face the wall. Tell the wall something. Alright, see them, I do you. Continue, face the wall. Hello, do not break the wall. Face the wall. May I come?
No.
Hey, me not laughing. I'm serious, you know. Face the wall. Do a little dance. You got to do a little dance when you face the wall. Tariq, hello. Tariq.
No. Well. Not really.
Not really either. Face the wall.
Mama puli doang kan? Mama puli doang kan?
No, I just want to see you pulling. That's all me wait on.
I pee water.
If you're pulling,
look. See it. I pee the pussy.
The baby, the one on the road. You know, I have something for them, man. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, something for them. I'll show you how you calm them down. Watch this. Ready? You want to see? Magic touch.
Hey, I'm Miss D. Quiet, awkward, and allergic to attention. But my mom, she's basically the exact opposite. Everyone thinks she's just your average, slightly chaotic mom. knows what she's really capable of, except me. Because this isn't her story, it's mine. Ever since I was a kid, there was one unspoken law in our house. When Mom's working, no one talks to her. Not me, not my dad, not even the dog. Only when she got home did she flip into perfect mom mode. When I was finally old enough to keep a secret, my parents sat me down.
That's too girly, though. That's too girly.
Sure, obviously. You're still reckless, late.
I think that's too girly. That too. Okay. What do you watch? What do you watch? What do you watch? Must have a boy fit watch. What do you like watch? That way call you girly type of something. Give me some of a boy fit watch. Give me some of a boy watch. Hold on there. Can you have it? Can you have it? Mm-hmm.
No, yeah, that's actually.
Apa so?
Apa sih?
Give some a boy picnic type when truck and they sitting there. Give him truck and they sitting there and drive and lick down things. Don't give him the full cartoon, then go act like a cartoon.
Yeah, again.
Ready? Which one show me one we watch? You want watch Courage? Courage, you coward dog. You not watch that, but me not watching it. Don't give him that. That's so annoying. No, seriously, annoying for true. It really annoying.
No, what is?
Who not laugh, Papa? All dogs go to heaven. Yeah.
Watch cartoon and give me a kind of like it.
Oh, somebody said leapfrog. There's a leapfrog.
No,
When me better not watch leapfrog because I'm learning something, put it on, let me see. Put on leapfrog. Put it on, let me see. When me better not go watch it. They have to watch it. Alex said, Nessa, Alex said they not go watch that.
No, they're not watching.
And you know, say someone, and you know, say, well, Papi, they never like to watch it.
No.
And they learn from. Alright, that one there.
No, I don't like those.
Share that one there. Yes, the ABC one. Go and feel something come now. Make him go and watch it till they set up it. Yeah, no, many my play. Now watch it, man. That's the one. What mean, boy? Boy, am I watching? What you mean? Hi, sweetie. Hey, man, didn't go have fun. Man, no, we're enjoying ourselves. We're enjoying ourselves today. May I give him something else? Hold on, may I set up it? Give me a minute. Where am I? Tell me now. May I enjoy our look ourselves today? May I hook up something on the TV for them? No, may I something better than that? May I...
Games.
Fight. Press up the control. Press it, Shane. Press it. Tell him to fight.
About 10 months.
Oh, you shot! I want that. Alright, y'all get too much. Alright, are you for calm down? Ready, go on. See that? Big man, tap jump now, man. Tap the jump in now. Kill her back, you know. Fighting, you know. Me not sorry for you again. Me not sorry for you. Me not sorry for you again. No problem. Me can't fight your brother. Lick me on my head. Grandma, do you fatality?
Sit down.
What you? The man begs. Shebe, don't lick me for your brother. Do not lick me. Why you don't play? Try one more time. I'm sorry. Try one more time. Terry, may I carry you downstairs? Press X. May I bring you downstairs? No, you lick me. I may slap you. Jesus mercifully mash up everything. Alex! 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 Come, me do something. Me don't know if you fix it back. I don't know if you fix it back. Oh, seriously, me don't know if you fix it back. Come on, Alex. Put the TV on the wall.
Yeah, what's the one? Out there.
Him come out of the game.
What about complete?
Yeah, I mean, when I play the game, this is when you talk me on my head top.
No, why brother him?
So the time me sick, me not understand and a game we are play. Meanwhile, we are play the game, this is when you fist me on my head.
Hey, you don't feel like the one. You can't
Come.
you know me?
Hey boy, me know why you act like you are idiot, you know.
Sure.
Hey, me say? Hey, what me say? Oh. Oi. Come here, Jagga. Jagga, come here. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Jagga, come here. Jagga. Come on. Share.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.